Hi, it's Elaine Fraze, Farm Family Coach, coming to you from my backyard. And behind me you can see my garden. And it's not as clean as I had hoped because I wasn't feeling very well in July and didn't get my paper and barley straw down. But you know what? After 40 some years of having a garden, I think I'm gonna let go, and I think this is gonna be my last one. I'm tired of having to keep up with a lot of responsibilities. We have really good farmers markets, and I'm working pretty much full-time as a farm family coach, writer, and speaker. And so I'm thinking, you know what? This doesn't really fill my cup as much as it used to. And I think one of the main reasons that I used to enjoy it so much is because being in the garden always reminded me of my mom. And this week is the 24th anniversary of my mom's passing at age 65, which is the same age that I am now. So it's been a really interesting time to reflect. So as you're buzzing around with harvest, doing the cows and whatever else is keeping you busy on your dairy, whatever this video finds you in, just encourage you to think about what is it that you need to let go of, what do you want to hold on to, what do you want to take on, and what do you move on? So let's think about those things this week as we're working through a busy fall season. Happy September. Stay safe.